Good evening. Tonight I'm going to do a couple of quick jobs. So I've got to prune deadhead the brugmansia, I've got to prune and deadhead my canna lilies, and there's something else as well. Yeah, I've got a couple of my small roses that I need to go ahead and prune, so I'm going to show you how I do each individual plant. Without further ado, let's get into the video. This is my potted bed, and this is my biggest canna. I've only got two. One's not doing great. Just there, you can see I've got quite a lot of old flower spikes, but I've got a lot of new ones coming on this one. So this one I should just take. There's nothing else on there. I'll just show you what I mean. There's no other bits and bobs. That's a separate one just there coming through. So I'll take this off. Excuse the camera. Right down to that there. Idea being behind that prune is you won't see it, so that leaf will cover that nicely. Okay. This one, if you can see the deadheads on that. We had a little bit of rain yesterday, so this is what's throwing this one out. I'm going to take the head off this as well, just behind it so you can't see it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pull the deadheads off this. You'll see it looks so much better once it's done. Take the petals off because they are been destroyed. Have a look at this one. Yeah, that looks nice. And then there's a couple on here just come off. Pale one just there. That doesn't look too bad actually. Let's just take a step back and take a look at this now. So that's much better. I've got my small rose. This is my potted bed. I don't know if you can make that out. All still pots. Plan on moving house hopefully. So my roses. Idea being so you don't really see the cut. So down to a leaf node, sharp pair of scissors or secateurs. Same again on this one here. And that's it. So again, that's pruned. Doesn't look like it's been pruned. Hopefully you can't see the difference on my canna lily. And then I'll take you on to my beautiful brugmansia. So with my brugmansias, that's a nice healthy flower. You can see it runs all the way to the top there. This one, not so much. We'll follow the head of it, and I'll take it all the way back to there. Sharp pair of scissors, and just let them drop off. Same again, right up to the top. I'll keep stepping back and taking a look at this. One down here. That leaf can come off. Around the other side. A few more on here. They don't naturally drop off. And they also don't go to seed, these don't, this brugmansia type. The smell of these are incredible. It's about coming on for 9 o'clock at night now, and the smell is absolutely brilliant. I might just feed this tonight as well, I think. That's well in flower. That's all those. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good now. So I'm going to use fish blood and bone. Nice big handful. Straight in. Might get another one. Very hungry. So I actually did a root prune on this spring, so I'll show you. I think I'm going to do another one this coming spring, 2023. So I'll show you what to do with that. In 3 tyres this year, it's done absolutely brilliant. So we just need to water that in. Make sure all that gets soaked in. quick water up, and that's me done for the night. If you guys got something out of this video, if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It's a really quick one, but just I've accomplished quite a bit within about, I don't know, 5 minutes, so just shows you quick jobs can be done in the garden. Without further ado, I'll end the video, so take it easy guys. Bye.